Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at Kentfaith's Nano X series filter system, this one, and their CPL and black diffusion 1/4 strength filters. Now some disclosure, Kentfaith did reach out to me and offered to send me these filters to test and ultimately make a review about. However, this video is entirely my honest opinions, having now used them for a few months. Now let's start with packaging, and I must say I really appreciate a company that cares about its packaging because this is great. It comes in these really nice looking boxes, and then when you open them you get this really nice leather carrying case inside, which has everything inside. It has all the filters, the holder, and it's just a really nice feeling carrying case. And same with the black diffusion, also comes in the same style carrying case. So here in the Nano X series filter system, you get the filter holder, of course. You get a bunch of step-up rings. You get actually four, I think. Yeah, you get 4 step-up rings. You get the 3 NDs, which are ND 1000, ND 8, and ND 64. And you also get a rotatable circular polarizer. Now installation is pretty easy. All you have to do is, well, first remove the hood. This is a 24mm f1.8 from Nikon, which has a 72mm front thread. So you have to put the step-up ring or the filter holder ring on it. So this is a 72mm. Just install it in front of your lens like that. So once you have the step-up ring installed, all you have to do is take the filter holder, make sure it's the right way up, and then you just have to slot it in. Now there is a knob here, as you can see. You have to slide that back to get it in there completely. Now it's attached to it, so all you have to do to tighten it is just get a good shot of that. Just tighten this knob right here, and boom, it's as easy as that. You have the filter holder attached and installed on your lens. Now this filter holder has 3 places for filters, 2 in the front, which are the 100 by 100mm filters, and then 1 circular filter which goes in this slot right here. So I can put in my circular polarizer. Find it, where did it go? So I can put my circular polarizer in here, make sure it's the right way so it doesn't get stuck. Like that. And of course you can rotate it using this little wheel right here. And then I can slot in my NDs in front. So let's say I want a ND 64 right here, and an ND 8 in front. So just like that, I have installed 3 filters on top of my lens using this very nifty filter holder. Now, sharpness test of the NDs, as it's always important to know the quality of the glass you're putting in front of your lens. And I would say the quality is very good indeed. As you can see here, we have the photo without any filters on the left, ND8 in the middle left, ND64 in middle right, and on the far right we have ND1000. And even here on 200% zoom, you can see that there is no real sharpness differences between any of the filters and the original photo. And that is a very good result indeed. However, the 1000 ND does considerably change the white balance, so that is something you need to keep in mind when using it. And here's how the CPL looks and how much more saturated you can make the skies look when using it. Now let's get to the most exciting filter, which is the CPL and black diffusion 1/4 strength. Now installing this is just as easy as installing the CPL that we did before. So you just take the filter out. And then make sure you're facing it the right way. Open this lid, put it in, and then close it, just like that. And now this filter also has a rotating CPL, so you can also operate that using this wheel right here. So now here we have a shot without the filter on. I have one light directly pointed at the subject, and as you can see, it's not very flattering because it kind of looks a little bit fake. However, when you put the filter on, it drastically reduces that light, and you can immediately notice the halation effect you get when using it. The highlights in the back are smoother and have that glowing effect, which you can see a lot better with this shot right here. As you can see, the buildings on the left have this soft glow to them, and that is one of the characteristics you get when using a black diffusion filter. Now another daylight shot here, and you can immediately see the halation effect on her skin and on the shiny Dubai frame in the background. And this is a look that I really like. And notice how the sky is more saturated at the top. That is the effect of the CPL that is part of this CPL black diffusion filter. Now I opted to go for the 1/4 strength black diffusion rather than the 1/8 because I feel like the 1/8 is just too subtle. Now I have to say this is a very good balance between having a sharp image and also the decreased contrast and the halation that comes with a black diffusion. I really like the look that this filter gives you. Overall, I have to say I'm really impressed with these filters. They're built quite nicely, they have decent glass, and they're priced reasonably well too. And the fact that you can mix and match different filters with this filter holder and these CPLs, black diffusions, they have other filters as well, KNF does, without having to remove this or change it out is a really nice added benefit. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like as well. Till next time.